5. Mucuna pruriens, Curcuma longa, Hippophae rhamnoid Salacia reticulata, Piper lawn gum, effective in Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Rasayana and Medya-Rasayana drugs in Ayurvedic literature. The clinical application of Rasayana therapy provides enough lead to develop new therapeutic modalities for enhancing the general body immunity as well as prevention of many neurodegenerative and cardiovascular disorders. The Tinospora cordifolia, Valeriana jatamansi, Hippophae rhamnoids, sea buckthorn, are selected Ayurvedic plants for single and polyherbal formulation are advocated for management of neurodegenerative disorder. In Ayurveda, several plants have been advocated to enhance body immunity and also for the prevention and management of cognitive decline among the elderly population. These polyherbal formulations are advocated for neurodegenerative and cardiovascular disorder. Hippophae rhamnoids, Dioscorea bulbifera and Bacopa monnieri has been extensively experimentally and clinically validated from the point of view of product development. A comprehensive pre-clinical studies have been carried out to establish safety and efficacy profile. After completing the ethical formalities, the above drugs have been utilized for the prevention and management of neurodegenerative and cardiovascular disorders. Besides the above plants, several other plants with medicinal properties have been also undertaken for evaluation as listed below. Brief description about the plants. Hippophae rhamnoids. Hippophae rhamnoids belongs to the Elaeagnaceae family. It includes 5 species. Sea buckthorn is distributed between 27 to 69 degrees N latitude and 7 degrees west to 122 degrees east longitudes, Rousey 1971, U et al. 1989. In India, Hippophae rhamnoids is grown in high temperate zone of western Himalaya, particularly Leh, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and in Sikkim. 2 species of Hippophae, salsifolia and rhamnoids, are found in India. However, out of the 5 species, only sea buckthorn has an extremely wide distribution in Eurasia, China, Mongolia, Russia, Kazakhstan, Turkey, Romania, Switzerland, France to Britain, north to Finland, Norway, Sweden and temperate zone of Asia including Pakistan. It grows on hills and hillsides and valleys and river beds, along sea coasts and islands, in small isolated or large continuous pure stands or in mixed stands with other shrub or tree species, Yao 1994. Sea buckthorn usually forms a shrub or small tree, 3 to 4 meters in height. Sea buckthorn berries have attractive colors, varying from yellow, orange to red. Chemical composition and nutritional values. The wide chemical and phytochemical composition of sea buckthorn has recently reviewed by Zeb, 2004, and Beveridge et al., 1999. It is found to vary with the origin, climate and method of extraction. Sea buckthorn berries are among the most nutritious and vitamin-rich fruits found in plant kingdom, Rousey and al. in 1977, Plekhanova 1988, Wahlberg and Jepson 1990, 1992, Yao et al. 1992, Yang et al. 1988, Zhao et al. 1991, Yao and Tigerstedt 1994. The carotene content ranges from 30 to 40 mg/100 gm of berries, Bernath and Foldisi 1992, Wolf and Wegert 1993. Vitamin E concentration can be up to 160 mg/100 gm of berries, Zhang et al. 1989, Ma and Chui 1989, Wahlberg and Jepson 1990, 1992. Sea buckthorn is also rich in flavonoid, vitamin P, and contains water-soluble and fat-soluble vitamins, Zhang et al. 1989, Solinenko and Shishkina 1989, Shapiro 1989. Sea buckthorn berries contains up to 13% soluble sugars, mainly glucose, fructose and xylose, Zeb 2004, Kallio et al. 1999, and 3.9% organic acids, mainly malic and succinic acid, Ma and Chui 1989, Beveridge et al. 1999, Chen 1988, proteins and free amino acids, Chen 1988, Zhang et al. 1989. A total of 18 amino acids have been found in sea buckthorn fruit, Zhang et al. 1989, Mironov 1989. There are at least 24 chemical elements present in sea buckthorn juice, e.g. nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, manganese, boron, calcium, aluminium, silicon and others. Wolf and Wegert 1993, Zhang et al. 1989, Tong et al. 1989. Sea buckthorn also contains different flavonoids, quercetin, myricetin and camphorol, Hakkinen sh et al. 1999, fatty acids, triacylglycerol, glycerophospholipids, Yang Br and H. Kallio 2002, phytosterols, alpha-tocopherol and phenolic compounds, Luhua Z et al. 2004, Puponin, Pimia 2001. Traditional uses of sea buckthorn. In Nubra especially, thicker branches are used for making charcoal, and this is in turn used for full, Tawari 2000, the new flush as common fodder for sheep and goat since it is very rich in protein and fat. The double-humped camel, an endangered species, survives primarily on this plant, Dvivedi et al. 2000. The fruits of sea buckthorn have been used as a drug by traditional Tibetan and Mongolian medicine since ancient times. It has pharmacological effects on the lungs, the stomach, the spleen, the blood circulation, Yusui Yuandangwabu et al. 1983. In 1977, sea buckthorn was officially for the first time listed in the Chinese Pharmacopoeia by the Ministry of Public Health, Editorial Board of Pharmacopoeia of the P.R. China 1977. Medicinal uses of sea buckthorn are well documented in Asia and Europe. Investigations on modern medicinal uses are initiated in Russia during the 1950s, Gurevich 1956, Akulinin 1958. Internally, sea buckthorn is used for the treatment of stomach and duodenal ulcers, Pentagova 1983. Research in the late 1950s and early 1960s have reported that 5-hydroxytryptamine is isolated from sea buckthorn bark inhibited tumor growth, Sokolov et al. 1961. Bacopa monnieri. Brahmi, Bacopa monnieri, one of the ingredients of present test formulation, belongs to the family Scrophulariaceae, which prevents early aging, improves the memory and intelligence, prolong life, nourish body and general health. Brahmi is one of the most popular medya drug, nootropic agent, of Indian medicine. The whole plant of this herb is advocated as a nervine and mental tonic and for the treatment of different mental and nervous disorders, Chopra et al. 1958, Satyavati et al. 1976, Kori et al. 1981, Asalkar et al. 1992. Brahmi has been observed influencing learning and memory process in different experimental evaluation, Prakash and Sirsi 1962, Singh and Sinha 1971, Singh and Dhawan 1978, 1982. Bacopa monnieri has shown a number of cognitive enhancing effects. It improves memory and learning, and has anti-anxiety effects. Dubé et al., 1984, have shown that Brahmi have anabolic as well as tranquilizing property, which has major role in the improvement of mental health status. Recently, studies have reported that old age dementia and mental deficiencies cases, the drug Brahmi has revealed its scope as safer medicinal agent arresting further memory loss along with improving the overall mental performance. Agrawal et al. 2000, Agrawal et al. 1993. Further, Brahmi has shown a significant improvement in general mental ability and behavioral pattern including cognitive function, Dubé et al. 1994, Agrawal et al. 2000. Agrawal et al. 1993, have shown Brahmi has potentiality to regulate altered level of brain biogenic amines and improve learning abilities. Cholinergic neurotransmitter declines with advancing age. Increased acetylcholine synthesis is seen after Bacopa monnieri supplementation, which has improved memory and learning skills, elevated mood, prevent memory loss in elderly people. In a recent study, the drug Brahmi has increased whole brain acetylcholine, epinephrine, norepinephrine, GABA, glutamate and histamine level among the rats, Puttock 2000. Bacopa monnieri. Dioscorea bulbifera, it belongs to Dioscoraceae family. The pharmacologically active components diosgenin is found in this plant. Fresh yams of Dioscorea bulbifera contains diosgenin and functions as a plant estrogen, or phytoestrogens, the naturally occurring plant compounds that are similar to mammalian estrogen. Merkin 1991, is being used as HRT. Recent studies have suggested that dietary diosgenin may lower plasma cholesterol levels, reduced blood sugar and decreased inflammation in experimental models. Sauver et al. 1991. Dioscorea bulbifera contains phytoestrogen and being used as hormone replacement therapy, HRT, Merkin 1991, Scott 2001. Dioscorea bulbifera. Curcuma longa belongs to Zingiberaceae family and also known as Hydra. It is found in India in abundance. The active constituent is curcumin isolated from root of Curcuma longa. It has wide range of therapeutic effects. It protects against free radical damage because it is a strong antioxidant. It also reduces inflammation and protects the liver from number of toxic compounds. Numerous studies have shown cancer-preventing effects of curcumin, and it also improves blood circulation and protect against atherosclerosis through its anti-inflammatory action. Curcuma longa. Nardosticus jatamansi is another ingredient of the present test formulation belonging to family Valerianaceae. Jatamansone, terpene and esterol are some active compound of it, extracted from dried rhizomes, has shown tranquilizing, hypotensive and uplifting of mental function properties. Nardosticus jatamansi. Convolvulus pluricollis, Shankpushpi, belongs to family Convolvulaceae. It is an mental function improving property through its alkaloids, extracted from leaves, one of the ingredients of test formulation. It has shown anti-anxiety, hypotensive and flowers of this plant. Shankapushpi is a potent drug in reliving anxiety and the management of anxiety and depressed disorders. A significant decrease in stress. Singh et al., 1977, have studied the beneficial role of Shankapushpi in MAO level, has confirmed the antidepressant effect of test drug. Convolvulus pluricollis. Centella asiatica, Mandakparni, is one of the ingredients in the present test formulation belonging to family Umbelliferae. Alkaloids and glycoside compound are extracted from whole plant. It has shown memory-enhancing and tranquilizing property in several experimental and clinical trials. Following neurochemical mechanism of action of Centella asiatica, the alcoholic extract enhanced the catecholamine and ACH in the whole gram. Singh et al. 1977. The altered level of 5-HT, acetylcholine, epinephrine, norepinephrine and GABA glutamate has modified and regulated following Centella asiatica treatment, Puddock 2000. Centella asiatica also improve the mental ability and fatigability of the subjects under stress, Appa Rao et al. 1973 and Mishra 1978. Centella asiatica.